Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Cardco website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to add a YouTube video. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your Cardco website, and then click on Element, which is this plus icon, and then go ahead and click on Video. Now, once you add the element of a video, you can click on that video and you can either go ahead and embed a YouTube video, or you could actually go ahead and upload a video here as well. So those are the only two options as far as video uploading goes on Cardco websites. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.